So, we're in Computex. We've seen an old friend of ours from XPG and what he showed me. The first Handheld console from XPG. Nobody knows that. This is the first prototype that they have, so he told me not to break it or drop it down. XPG NIA. Let's play a game. So it uses, of course, AMD processor. Price, the best thing about that is the price. They promised me as close as it gets to $500. That's insane, huh? So let's see how it plays. Guys, I'm not so good at this kind of gaming. I need my mice. Okay, I will try that. It looks fantastic. They will provide the 3D printing files for the chassis and the pinout, so it will be something like an open project. They told me that they might start that in Kickstarter first to see the attention it will get. I was telling you in a previous video that handheld consoles are the trend now, and I didn't know that XPG was working on that till now. If it goes for $500, okay, even a bit more, I might be tempted to buy one. I don't know. It looks great. I want to learn more details. We will know more details once we visit XPG's booth. Computex starts tomorrow, but this is the first, again, working prototype of XPG NIA. The first and only prototype so far.
Don't drop it.
And we're the very, very first to see that and show you that. XPG NIA. You can upgrade the memory on your own. It's a prototype, huh? Okay. Here you will have access to the RAM. You can upgrade the RAM. 16, 32, 64. Storage. It will come with, they told me a crazy number, up to 8 terabytes of NVMe. 8 terabytes. Yeah, I really want to see that. 8 terabytes in this thing. They are very excited in XPG about that. I liked it. Okay. I'm not a big gamer because I don't have the time to do so, but with devices like that and my glasses, of course, to be able to see what I'm playing, I think I might start doing more gaming. XPG NIA. $500, as close as it gets to $500. Okay, I don't want to bend the guys. Up to 64 gigabyte of RAM, up to 8 terabyte of storage. It has here, if you notice, a pin, a camera. They told me that something is going on with the camera, that they will use it to increase performance. I don't know how they will do that. We will see. So, that is it. XPG NIA.